How much money is enough to never work again in India? The answer is deeply personal, shaped by your age, expenses, and lifestyle. Before deciding, consider this. Retirement is not the end of the road, it is the beginning of the open highway. Your retirement corpus depends on your current age, retirement age, monthly expenses, life expectancy, and inflation. In this video, let us explore these factors to help you estimate your ideal corpus and plan a secure retirement. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Determining your retirement corpus key factors. 6 key factors play a crucial role in deciding how much money you will need to retire comfortably. First, current age. How old are you now? Next, spouse age. How old is your spouse? Next, retirement age. At what age do you plan to retire? 45, 50, 55 or later? Number 4, monthly expenses. What's your current monthly spending? Will you require 25,000 or 40,000 or 70,000 or 1.5 lakh post-retirement? Next, life expectancy. How long do you expect to live? 75, 85 or 90 years? Next, emergency fund. How much should you reserve for unexpected situations? Before you begin, start with a crucial baseline. As the saying goes, preparation is the key to success. We assume you have already tagged funds for other goals such as your children's education, wedding, purchasing a house and a car. Additionally, health insurance and term insurance should be in place to handle emergencies. These factors are essential for any investor. However, here we will focus solely on retirement planning to guide you in building a secure and sufficient retirement corpus. For simplicity, let us assume both spouses are of the same age in our calculations. What is the ideal amount to retire permanently in India? Let us calculate the corpus required to retire comfortably in India, considering different retirement ages, lifestyles, and life expectancies. Scenario 1. Current age 25, retirement age 40, expenses today 30,000 per month, life expectancy 80 years, inflation rate 6%, post-retirement returns over inflation 1%, that is post-retirement return 7%, the post-retirement returns over inflation is 1%. At retirement, rupees 30,000 will inflate to 72,000 per month. To sustain these expenses for the next 40 years, the required corpus is 2.85 crores. If expenses increases to rupees 40,000 today, the corpus needed rises to 3.8 crores. For every additional 10,000 in monthly expenses, an extra 1 crore is required. Next, scenario 2. Current age 30, retirement age 45, expenses today 35,000 per month, life expectancy 85 years, inflation rate 6%, post-retirement returns over inflation 1%. At retirement, 35,000 will inflate to 84,000 per month. To sustain this for the next 40 years, the required corpus is rupees 3.3 crore. If expenses increases to 40,000 today, the corpus needed rises to 3.8 crore. For every additional 5,000 in monthly expenses, an extra 50 lakh is required. Next, scenario 3. Current age 30 years, retirement age 50 years, expenses today 30,000 per month, life expectancy 85 years, inflation rate 6%, post-retirement returns over inflation 1%. At retirement, 30,000 will inflate to 96,000 per month. To sustain this for the next 35 years, the required corpus is 3.4 crore. If expenses increases to 50,000 today, then the corpus needed rises to 5.7 crores. For every additional 20,000 in monthly expenses, an extra 2.3 crore is required. Next, scenario 4. Current age 30 years, retirement age 60 years, expenses today 30,000 per month, life expectancy 90 years, inflation rate 6%, post-retirement returns over inflation 1%. At retirement, 30,000 will inflate to 1,72,000 per month. To sustain this for the next 30 years, the required corpus is 5.4 crore. If expenses increases to 1 lakh today, the corpus needed rises to 18 crore. For every additional 70,000 in monthly expenses, an extra 12.6 crore is required. These calculations highlight the importance of planning early to build a sufficient retirement corpus. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes to achieve your goals. Next, key factors to consider for your retirement corpus. When planning your retirement, it is crucial to account for the following. First, emergency fund. Set aside an additional 20 to 30 lakhs as a safety net for unexpected expenses. Next, spouse age. If your spouse is 2 to 3 years younger, you may require a larger corpus to ensure financial security for both, especially if you anticipate living into your 80s, 90s, or beyond. Next, longevity planning. To safeguard against outliving your expected lifespan, consider investing an extra 20 to 30 lakhs in equity mutual funds to maintain your lifestyle in later years. Here is the key takeaway. Now that you understand the factors affecting your retirement corpus, achieving your goal may be more attainable than it seems. With a disciplined investment strategy, your financial goals are within reach. For example, investing rupees 15,000 per month for 25 years at a 12% CAGR can grow into a corpus of 2.6 crores. To calculate your retirement corpus based on your specific age, expenses, and goals, refer to our recently published guide, How to Accurately Calculate Your Retirement Corpus in India, a step-by-step guide. A detailed blog post on this topic is available on our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.